Recording! Nobody say shit, fuck or twat.
Okay! Okay, mate!
Okay. Oh, telemetry's lost.
Bang! Oh, you should have waited for me, you top.
Come on then.
What you got in it?
2654. Come on, dude.
Same spec then, man.
Yeah. There's Luke with his gorgeous Catalina, which probably is going to die because it's not really built for this kind of wind.
I'm using another dodgy battery.
Using another dodgy battery. Oh, Luke. That's not far enough forward. It did want to come back to that line. Oh, mind you, that's not good.
You got your throttle on? No?
Turn your radio off and turn it back on again. Anything? No? Now plug it back in again. You said last time you had a dodgy wire. Have you not investigated it? Yeah. You want me to launch it before? Yeah, make sure you got low rates. Don't try and turn it till you've got some altitude.
I
don't know, just turn, put it on full ailerons or something and then press some buttons. There you go. Yeah, so as I say, dead into the wind, get some altitude and then bank it. And bank it under power. You ready? Whoa, 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 whoa!
That's a big drop than mine. That is one of them successful.
What were you doing?
I didn't go out. Pitch it. Oh.
It's... Were you trying to...
I'm trying to do all I did is give a throttle into wind.
Yeah, but it looked as like it was kind of stalling, so you need to give it a bit of down and get it to go against the wind and... Yeah. You want a Riot or a Bixel or something for heavy wind. Yeah. I'm right. The Riot, boys. Scale. Scale. Long launch. You ready? Yeah? The Riot kite. Get a Bixler 2 ordered or something. Get a Bixler 2 ordered and get a bloody eagle tree. Then you can fly. Well, yeah. I can't believe Luke crashed them both within minutes on takeoff. Do you think, has he busted his radio again? Battery moving or not, he should have been able to... Well, I did say. Coming in hot. By 6.
I think I've got 10 on.
A 10?
I think so.
No, surely not. We've never had 10-inch props on these. You had at one bit, you had a 12 by 8 on. Battery didn't last that long with that, with pitch. Thought you were going to plonk on top of me then. Let's not end it in that. Well, the forecast was for about 12 to 15 mile an hour winds, but I reckon up here with these gusts it's more like 15 to 20.
Tomorrow's weather's crap.
Yeah, it's a little bit windier and there's rain forecast. You've got a couple of hours in the morning, but by about 1-2 o'clock you've got rain. Yep. It's all different undulations on this field. It does sort of throw it about. Missed it. Got it. You take the high road, I'll take the low road.
Oh, I can't see shit. You take the high road, what? 10 centimetres higher than me?
Yeah.
I love that. It doesn't even need any runway at all, it's just like an helicopter, man. It's just looking over.
Yeah. Straight into wind. As I say, Luke could do a lot worse than get something like this for when it's windy. They're easier to fly than an S-back or a what's the other one that you had? MX, yeah.
Just under half power.
In this wind though, it'd be good coming a bit slower.
Power, aren't you?
Is that your really tough carbon fibre landing gear? I know, it's the mount. Plonk. Landing gear, man. Luke did it the other day and you've done it today. Yeah, because I don't know about you, but I ain't got brake on. Uh-oh, plonk! missed that.
You want to go after it? What needs wheels, mate?
You know that little, I still haven't put, I think you gave me some bolts, didn't you, that were stronger than them crappy standard ones.
Needs wheels, mate. Needs wheels.
To do a touch and go, you do. There we go. Come to Papa. Yeah. Yes, it is very cold.